In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the all-famous Sigma 30mm 1.4 DCDN. This is the lens that I purchased for this camera. This is the Sony ZV-E10. A lot of good things that I heard about this lens. It's 52mm filter size and it's 30mm f1.4. I don't know the international prices, but from Pakistan, I bought this off 78,000 for 78,000 Pakistani rupees. If you guys are interested in knowing where did I get it from, let me know and I can share the address. This is not a sponsored video, but yeah, this is how the box looks like. You can see that on the box it says Sigma 30mm f1.4 DCDN. So we're going to be unboxing and we're also going to be testing the quality of the video with this lens. So let's just go ahead and quickly unbox this. So this is the box. Let's open up the box quickly and see what we get in the box. So when you open up the box, we're going to get a lot of paperwork. Okay, we're going to not need it. Okay, it says limited warranty. I don't know if the warranty applies in Pakistan or not. What else do we get here? I think this is the warranty card. Yeah, this is the warranty sticker. It says, I don't know, I'll ask him if the warranty applies in Pakistan. And the packaging looks pretty nice. Let's pull it out. There we go. Nothing else inside the box. So let's just put the box aside and let's just look at the lens. I had a couple of options. He had a used one as well and he had a new one, so I opted for the new one, and he also said go for the new one because the older one was used, I think, for wedding, video shoots, and I didn't want to go with that one. I didn't know like if that was used roughly, so new one's always better. The used one was 10,000 rupees cheaper, but I opted to go with the new lens. So this is the lens, and also if you have been following my channel, I don't use cameras. All my videos have been shot on my phone. This is the first time not the first time, but you can say properly invested in a camera. This is how the lens looks like. It says made in Japan, 0.3 meter over 0.98 feet, and on this side it says 30mm 1.4 Sigma. So let's just remove the cap. This is how the back looks like. Very clean look. I love it. I haven't done my settings on my camera yet, so if you do it on, I think, product review, then it'll focus, but currently I think it's still not focusing. If I move away, then I think it's going to probably focus. All right, let's just see how the front glass looks. Amazing. This is how it looks. I think this camera would show you better. Now we can put this cap on this lens, and I'd have to see how okay. It has this rubbery feel to it. This is pretty good. It's a prime lens, so obviously you can't zoom with this lens. Yeah, that's the unboxing experience, guys. Let's just go ahead and quickly put it on the camera and see how the quality looks. This is the kit lens, and in a moment you're going to see the next footage with the prime lens with the same settings. I haven't changed the settings on my camera. Just turned the camera on, put the kit lens on. It actually, I didn't put it on, it was already there. So now I'm gonna change it, switch it with the prime lens and see how the difference in the quality looks like. Okay, so now I've just switched this lens. This is my old lens. The video that you're watching right now, this is shot on the Sigma 30mm f1.4. As I said, I haven't changed any camera settings yet. This is just how the camera comes out of the box. Just turned it on, changed the lens. Let me know, guys, if you notice any difference between the kit lens and this one. I'm pretty sure there is some difference. Obviously, when I play around with the settings, learn how the camera works. I just bought this camera today as well. So let me know what are your thoughts about this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.